multiplying two-digit numbers. First, let's put a circle around 2 and keep it there till later. 3 times 8 is 24. Next, we say 3 times 2 is 6 and we add them, and that is 8. Next, let's drop the 0 down, and 2 times 8 is 16. Carry our 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Now, let's add those numbers. 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 6 is 14, plus our 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. Our answer is 644. So 28 times 23 equals 644.